Artoonza.
Attention, budding artists and pizza enthusiasts. Ready to turn up the heat in your creativity kitchen? Today, we're transforming the word pizza into a deliciously fun drawing. So grab your markers, crayons, and maybe even a sprinkle of Parmesan. Let's cook up some art that's so tasty, give us your like. Even your doodles will be drooling. Get set to serve up some creativity. Drawing time, let's have a lot of fun together. Bon appetit!
Aw, so cute.
Give us a big thumbs up. Ready to splash some color. Red. Let's color together. Green. Orange. Yellow. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Yummy, yummy pizza, yummy, yummy pizza. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aw, so cute.
Mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.